Are you tired of scruffy edges or uneven lengths ruining your well-groomed look? A high-quality beard trimmer can be your best ally in achieving the perfect facial hairstyle. Whether you're looking for a precise trim, a full beard maintenance tool, or something in between, there are plenty of options to suit your needs. In this video, we'll explore the best beard trimmers on the market, highlighting essential features, benefits, and tips to help you make an informed choice for your grooming routine. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Wahl USA Pro Series trimmer. If you're seeking a trimmer that allows for precise grooming while ensuring maximum visibility, the Wahl USA Pro Series trimmer is designed just for you. Its innovative ball and socket head design reveals more of your face, eliminating the obstruction commonly found in traditional models. This thoughtful engineering enhances your grooming experience, making every session more effective. The trimmer's outer casing features a combination of grippy rubber and a smoky, semi-gloss metal finish, offering both comfort and control during use. While its aesthetic may appear aggressive, the cutting performance is surprisingly refined. The Wahl Pro Elite is equipped with small-tooth stainless steel blades that deliver a precise, close cut, making it an excellent choice for those looking to achieve detailed styles. Though it may not be the best option for thick hair, its versatility makes it a valuable addition to your grooming toolkit. The trimmer comes with useful attachments, including a foil shaver and a nose hair trimmer, ensuring you can tackle different grooming tasks effortlessly. Plus, the included plastic attachments allow you to customize your trimming lengths, catering to your specific needs. Whether you're defining your beard or maintaining a polished look, the Wahl USA Pro Series trimmer empowers you to take control of your grooming routine with confidence and precision. With this trimmer by your side, you can refine your style and look your best no matter the occasion. At number 4, MANSCAPED Beard Hedger trimmer. If you're looking to elevate your grooming routine, the Manscaped. The Beard Hedger trimmer should be on your radar. While many may know Manscaped for their popular lawnmower trimmer, the Beard Hedger stands out for its practical design and innovative features. A highlight of this trimmer is its USB-C charging capability, a rare feature that enhances convenience, especially for travelers. Designed with small to mid-size stainless steel teeth and a high RPM motor, this trimmer excels in managing shorter beards and stubble. Whether you're in a rush or taking your time, achieving the perfect look is both quick and efficient. One of the standout elements is the flexible plastic length guide, easily adjusted using a barrel control on the trimmer. This unique feature allows you to apply varying levels of pressure for different cut lengths, providing you with a personalized grooming experience. Not only does this ensure a tailored trim, but it also sets the Beard Hedger apart from other trimmers on the market. With this level of customization, you can achieve that polished look you strive for without the hassle of multiple attachments. Enhance your grooming routine with a trimmer that understands your needs and preferences, making every trim a pleasurable experience. The Beard Hedger isn't just a tool, it's an essential part of your grooming arsenal. Embrace the difference it can make to your daily routine. Number 3, we have the Wahl Professional Peanut Trimmer. If you're in the market for a reliable trimmer, consider the Wahl Professional Peanut Trimmer. This tool has garnered a loyal following among barbers, particularly in South Philadelphia, where local stylists often share invaluable recommendations. When multiple barbers suggest the same product, it's worth paying attention. The Peanut stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness. It may be compact and somewhat whimsical in design, but it does not compromise on performance. Unlike many trimmers that come loaded with unnecessary attachments and features, the Peanut keeps it straightforward, with just 4 trimmer guards ranging from 1/8 of an inch to 1/2 inch. This focus on essential functionality allows you to achieve precise cuts without the distraction of excessive add-ons. Another aspect that makes the Peanut a favorite is its enduring durability. The trimmer is powered by a wall socket, ensuring you won't run out of battery in the middle of a grooming session. This classic design has proven its reliability over time, making it an investment that can last for years. Whether you're looking to maintain your own style or seeking a professional-grade trimmer for your barbering toolkit, the Wahl Peanut is a smart choice. With its combination of longevity, ease of use, and high-quality performance, you can trust that this trimmer will meet your grooming needs effectively time and again. At number 2, Philips Norelco Multigroomer All-in-One Trimmer. Are you looking for a reliable grooming tool that simplifies your personal care routine? The Philips Norelco Multigroomer All-in-One Trimmer could be the solution you've been searching for. Weighing in at under 4 ounces, this lightweight device offers remarkable ease of use and maneuverability, ensuring you can groom comfortably. With a sound level of just 63 decibels, it operates quietly, allowing you to focus on your grooming without disturbing others. The one-blade attachment is particularly impressive for detailing. It provides a close trim while significantly reducing the risk of nicks and cuts, gliding smoothly over your skin. Although the trimmer includes 12 length settings for lengths up to 9 millimeters, it excels in speed and efficiency, letting you achieve your desired look in a fraction of the time compared to bulkier alternatives. Battery life is another standout feature, offering up to 120 minutes of use on a single charge. This long-lasting performance allows you to go weeks between charges, making your grooming routine more hassle-free. In a crowded market of grooming tools, the Philips Norelco Multigroomer stands out by blending simplicity and effectiveness. If you value quick touch-ups and a precise trim without unnecessary complications, this trimmer is a worthy addition to your grooming kit. Embrace a personal care tool that enhances your routine and helps you look your best effortlessly. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Braun All-in-One Series 9. If you're in search of the perfect grooming companion, the Braun All-in-One Series 9 could be your answer. It stands out in a market where preferences vary, particularly between those who appreciate adjustable razor guards and those who prefer simpler tools. The Series 9 elevates your shaving experience with its innovative spinning adjustment wheel, offering 40 precise increments of adjustment down to half a millimeter. This level of customization ensures you achieve the exact look you desire. Durability is key, and the Series 9 delivers. With a robust battery life of up to 3 hours on a full charge and a waterproof design, you can confidently shave in the shower, minimizing cleanup time and maximizing convenience. The shaver's head strikes a careful balance between agility and coverage, making it effective for both intricate details and broader areas. Additionally, the kit includes a specialized detail trimmer for those finer touches, ensuring every line is crisp and clean. What truly sets the Braun Series 9 apart is its sharp blades, designed to glide smoothly without tugging at your hair. Braun even claims these blades are lifetime sharp, a promise taken seriously by dedicated testers. Whether you're an experienced shaver or new to grooming, the Braun Series 9 offers a reliable and efficient solution, meeting a variety of grooming needs while keeping your comfort in mind. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which beard trimmer you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.